We'll guide you through how to use vidIQ extension on Chrome on YouTube. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar. Type Google Chrome into the search box displayed on your screen and open the Google Chrome browser from the search results. Wait for the Chrome browser window to load completely before moving to the next step. Once the browser is open, click the address bar located at the top of the browser window. Type YouTube into the search or address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to continue. Open the official YouTube website from the search results and wait for the YouTube homepage to finish loading completely. After the page appears, sign into your YouTube or Google account if you are not already logged in. Look at the top right corner of the Chrome browser window where installed browser extensions are displayed. Find the vidIQ extension icon on the Chrome toolbar. If the icon is hidden, click the extensions puzzle icon to locate vidIQ from the list of installed extensions. Click the vidIQ extension icon to open the extension menu and access its available features. If the extension asks for login access, sign into your vidIQ account to complete the setup process and connect it with YouTube. After finishing the setup, return to the YouTube homepage to begin using the extension tools. Search for any YouTube video using the search bar located at the top of the page. Open a video to view additional vidIQ tools and analytics that appear automatically beside the video content. Look at the right side of the YouTube video page for the vidIQ information panel added by the extension. Review the video statistics, SEO score, tags, keywords, engagement details, and ranking information shown by vidIQ. Use the keyword tools and analytics features to research YouTube content ideas, popular search terms, and video optimization strategies. Continue exploring the vidIQ tools while browsing YouTube videos in Chrome to learn more about audience engagement and content performance. You can also use the extension to compare videos, analyze competitors, and improve video titles or descriptions for better visibility.